Hey everyone. So, I've been wanting to use these for years. I was testing them out on my hand, and surprisingly, they were pretty pigmented. I think these came out like in 2008. But yeah, I'm not one of those people that throws out my makeup. No. I mean, it takes a lot for me to throw out something. So, these are their A pans, and I'm going to start off with this color, which I just realized a chunk just came off of it. I don't know what's going on with that. It wasn't like that when I took it out of the drawer this morning. It was freezing. It's been in the 40s. Oh, I used their Idolize, the light blue one. I don't remember the name of it, but it's the light blue one. Anyway, it has been look at that pigmentation. I'm comfortable in the 40s, but this morning it was really like, it was like in the high 40s and it was freezing in the house. Now I'm sweating. I had to open up the door. Now there's no air coming in. I'm gonna go with this color on top. It's kind of, it looks like an indigo color, but I'm gonna go with that. All right, the mattes are not as pigmented as the frosty ones. That is a pretty color though. Just gotta layer it. I think I'm gonna go on with this pink right here as the highlight color. It's like a soft, like natural pinky color. I think I'm gonna mix it with that cream color right there. Make it a little bit lighter. Hmm. Cream color has a bit of shimmer to it. I didn't realize that. I thought it was more of a matte. Hmm. I'm gonna go into this blue just for the inner corners to just bring that out a little bit. It's so, why is it so deep set? I want to bring that out. And I'll probably just do black line or mascara, but let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. Um, I decided to go with this, the Color Icon Fair Trade Coffee, which has it has the blush, the contour, and the highlight all in one. So I'm going to be using all of my older 2008, I believe, 8 pans from Wet n Wild, and this one's called Fantasy Island. And for my lips, I use my Plumberry from Wet n Wild, and I use the Mauve Overgirl that I got last January, I believe, and I use that on my lips. But I have to say, I know that it's a gloss, but it's supposed to be an opaque gloss, and it's like you gotta like put on a lot of coats because as you rub your lips together, it starts to fade. So anyway, that's what I did, and still no word on the spring collection from Wet n Wild. And yeah, and for my nails, I cut them down. I took off the wraps, and this one was really long, but it just keeps chipping and breaking and breaking. I was gonna wrap it the next day, but this one just kept breaking. So most likely wrap it this weekend so they'll grow again. But I had to cut them all down. This one chipped, that's why it's pointy. Growing your own nails is a pain in the neck. Anyway, so All right, guys, I will see you next week. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.